Hi everyone, Miss Shiri here. Thank you for joining me for World Culture. At the San Diego Children's Discovery Museum, we love learning about new cultures from all around the world. Today, we are going to learn about Chile. Chile is a country in South America, occupying a long, narrow strip of land between the Andes Mountains and the Pacific Ocean. It is almost 3,000 miles long, but only about 100 miles wide, making Chile the longest, most narrow or skinny country in the world. Large parts of Chile are covered by mountains, and Chile is home to the world's largest, driest desert, the Atacama Desert. The Atacama Desert is where rain sticks are believed to have originated. Rain sticks were made from long, hollow cactus tubes that were dried in the sun. The spikes of the cactus were then removed and hammered back in as nails. Small pebbles were placed inside the cactus, and both ends of the cactus were sealed. A sound like falling rain is made as the rain stick is turned. It is believed that rain sticks were used by the indigenous farmers in the very arid, that means dry, climate of the desert, with the hopes of calling the rain to come and water the crops. Today, we will be making rain sticks inspired by the indigenous farmers of Chile. The supplies that you need to make your Chilean-inspired rain stick are a tube. This is from a paper towel roll. You will need some rice or dried beans or dried corn kernels to be able to put inside the tube to make the sound of falling rain. You will need some markers to decorate the outside of your tube, some tin foil that is the same length of the tube that's been rolled up into a log. You will need 2 pieces of cardboard that are bigger than the ends of the tube so that you can fold it over and close your tube, scissors for cutting the cardboard, some tape to tape the cardboard pieces down and around the tube, and if you would like, you can decorate your rain stick with pretty ribbons or yarn. The first thing you want to do is take your tube and go ahead with the markers, decorate whatever you would like on the outside of the paper roll tube. You could draw animals, you could draw shapes, you could draw anything you would like as decoration on the outside of the tube. Then you want to take your piece of tin foil, roll it up tight, and then shape it into the letter S. This piece of tin foil is going to go on the inside of your tube, and it is what the rice or the beans will kind of fall on to make the sound of rain. Once you have the letter S, you're going to slide it into the tube and then tape it into place so that it is not moving around the inside of the paper roll tube. Take one of the cardboard circles that is bigger than the cardboard tube, place it on top of the cardboard tube, and go ahead and tape it down nice and secure. When that end is done, go ahead, turn the tube upside down so that the closed end is at the bottom. Your tin foil snake is inside, the letter S is inside. Now you're going to take some rice or dried beans or dried corn kernels and go ahead and fill up the tube. You probably only need about 4 or 5 handfuls of either the rice, the dried beans, or the dried corn kernels. When you have filled the tube up, go ahead and take the other cardboard circle that overlaps the tube and go ahead and push it down and tape it into place so that both ends of your tube are closed and sealed so that no rice can get out of your tube. Now, when you turn your tube upside down, you will hear the sound of the rain. If you'd like, you can go ahead and decorate the outside with some string or some yarn or some ribbon. Just tie it in a knot at one end so that you have this pretty decoration hanging from your tube. Thank you for joining me as we learned about Chile and we made a Chilean-inspired rain stick. Join me next time for more world culture. Bye.